Ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to talk about the Dick Schram Award for Community Relations. Hey, he's a former Blue Angel. He'll be okay with that. Commander Dick Schram was the U.S. Department of Defense Aviation Support Liaison Officer in the Office of the Assistant Secretary of Defense. And he had a wealth of knowledge and experience that he would share with anyone. And Dick, of course, helped establish shows, new shows, performers, writers, movie makers, and he did it so enthusiastically but fairly. Sadly, Dick Schram died of a cerebral hemorrhage back in 1987 at the age of 46. The Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award is presented each year to the military base and where planning and implementing its air show set a new standard of excellence, now especially for public affairs. So the selection panel is co-chaired by both the United States and Canadian military representatives. Ladies and gentlemen, here is this year's Dick Schram Community Relations recipient.
When Edwards Air Force Base began making plans to celebrate the 75th anniversary of supersonic flight with an air show, they made the decision early on that it would be more than just an air show. To improve the public affairs value of the event and to help promote careers in aviation and other technical disciplines, show organizers invited students from 200 local schools to attend the largest STEM Expo in Air Force history, with over 23,000 students attending the event on a single day. Making full use of the unique collection of aviation assets available to them, the base launched a C-17, F-35, T-38, and NASA F-18 to conduct a 250-mile pre-show flyover over 50 local schools 2 days before the event, reminding more than 40,000 students about the upcoming STEM festival. On show day, in addition to the Air Force Thunderbirds and 8 civilian aerobatic performers, the event featured elements unique to Edwards Air Force Base, including 11 different aircraft breaking the speed of sound for an enthusiastic and appreciative audience. The show's static display area even included the mythical Dark Star hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft featured in last year's Top Gun Maverick blockbuster movie. The result? A spectacularly successful air show, groundbreaking and historic STEM event, and the kind of public affairs and community relations success story that the Schram Award was created to recognize. Ladies and gentlemen, the recipients of the 2023 Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award, the Aerospace Valley Air Show, Open House and Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics Expo at Edwards Air Force Base.
What a show down there, I'll tell you what. We're going to welcome these fine folks from Edwards Air Force Base up here. Here they come. Look at this. It's a long way from Edwards, for those of you who've been there.
Hi, well, thank you so much for this. We'd really like to thank Nellis, Andrews, and Capital Air Shows for all the mentorship we received. We also like to thank our mission partners, NASA and AFRL, who helped with all the STEM things. Our community partners, the cities of Lancaster, Palmdale, our local veteran organizations, Make-A-Wish, and our industry partners, as also to Brigadier General Heiger, who was our wing commander at the time and championed the air show, and all the big A airmen on the base that helped put this event together, as well as our base residents, civilian volunteers that work and live in the center of the Aerospace Testing Universe. Thank you.